Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and here we are today for your love readings for June. So, as you know, I've been doing you and yours readings, which have been, on you and anyone who's on your mind, who's been, you're being affected by. But this time, this one is purely for you and your love interest. So, who will be dealing with here, Saji? Who's on your mind? Somebody, a lover from the past, maybe, somebody new coming up. We'll just check and see. So here we go. Angels, give us a message for Sagittarians and their love interest. What can they look forward to for our beautiful Sagittarians for the month of June? Oh, I have this Five of Wands in the bottom of the deck. So let's see. The Emperor, the Tower. This is in your past energy, okay? Something happened here. Okay, we have the Star in the middle, so let's see your present. Death in reverse. High Priestess. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Swords. And the Knight of Swords. Some decision-making time, it seems, Sagittarius. In the past, I see Sagittarians, I'm assuming, let's say, this side is you, the side A is you. So Sagittarians, I feel in the past you wanted to take control of a certain situation. Okay, you wanted to have some control or some power, or in some decisions had to be made where you wanted to have the final say, because your partner, whoever that is, did something fall out? No. Okay, whoever that was gave you some shocking news. Okay, there was something sudden which came to light, and you really wanted to have the last say or some control in. I have the Tower again. Yeah, so there was a Tower moment very recently in your past, Sagittarius. Even though you wanted to stay on top of things, stay in control of things, whatever this news was sudden, okay? And you were really you were sad. You were really sad when this news came out, and it basically. It took something away from you, that it was something that in the past may have made you very happy, and you were happy with the way things were. You wanted them to stay that way. But when this news came out, it crumbled. I mean, your whole world came crumbling down, it seems, because you realized I can no longer continue this way or work with this energy anymore. And this was your wish fulfillment. And you tried very hard to kind of look for ways and means to keep this going. It seems somebody from your life is leaving or moving away, and that came as quite a shock to you. You are trying to delay this, ending of whatever this is. In the present moment, I see you trying to really delay the ending of this as much as possible. But Sagittarius, you're holding on to the inevitable. I mean, the death energy is something that you can't really hold on for long. Okay, you want to be in this position of the Empress. Okay, but from whatever this news came out, it set you back a little bit. Okay, and you're trying very hard to not go through this heartbreak. Okay, and maybe hold on to whatever is crumbling down. You want to avoid this inevitable news or thing that is happening around you. Maybe your partner gave you some news which was not very happy for you. You wanted a balance in this relationship. You really wanted equal give and take. You wanted this to work out as a partnership, maybe. And in the past, I do see that things may have been good. You were happy with this person. So somebody made a decision here, Sagittarius, to drop the ball and not offer commitment. Okay, but they are in their fields right now, and they're trying to find the best way forward, trying to help you as much as they can, probably. but this was like for them, according to them, they're just dropping, something which had become little too much for them, maybe. Okay, so they are in that space where they feel, okay, now I have to drop this, and I'm not wanting to offer anything long term. They're using their intuition to get over, whatever relationship you guys had, and maybe trying to, advise you how to go forward or help you as much as they can. I have the Five of Swords again, okay? Five of Wands. It was here as well in the upright position. So yes, whatever conflict that happened in the past between both of you, they are, they're trying to be helpful. Maybe keeping an eye on you, trying to see how you're coping, trying to make sure that whatever fight or conflict that you people are going through, it comes to an end. But I don't see them offering anything concrete at the moment, okay? You feel right now that, justice has not been done. You feel that things have come to a stagnant stall in the month of June, and you're not getting as much as you wished that you would get. And that's how I think you're feeling in the month of June. Let's take one more card. Why is Justice and the Knight of Coins in the Sagittarius position here in the month of June, Spirit? Sagittarius, this could be your partner's side. So please feel free to flip the energy as you feel fit. You feel there's no point waiting anymore, okay? You are feeling that, things have not been done right. Justice has not been done in your favor. Things have come to a stagnant stall, and you're going deep within to shed light on whatever happened. So I think in the month of June, Sagittarius, I think you're going to go a little within, because I see your partner moving away, okay? Your partner is moving away to calmer waters, and let's see what your partner is doing. Let's take some clarifications here. They're not either offering you a love offer or they're not accepting yours. They have an agenda of their own. This news has come sudden to you, Sagittarius. It was not something you preempted, and this probably came in very swift, very fast. It was like a sudden, news to you that this person who you probably had a lot of passion for, who was, created a lot of happiness in your life, he's kind of thinking of bailing out. I think this month you're going to now put this to rest, Sagittarius. I think you've come to the realization that this person is no longer. Let's take another card for your partner. They're not giving you anything clear-cut, no clear-cut communication here. They're not giving you any promises for anything forward, yet they do seem to be keeping a little eye on you, definitely. So, Spirit, what can we expect for Sagittarius this month? Let's just move all this aside. And I want, Spirit, please give us something clear-cut as to what Sagittarius can expect. I'm sorry, Sagittarius, there's no going back to the past, it seems. Okay? There is no going back to the past here, even though this person may have been loving and kind in the past. Right now, I think they're moving away and going for a fresh beginning for themselves, it seems. Still would like to take another clarifier. Spirit, is this new beginning of the Ace of Pentacles for Sagittarius and that person together in the month of June? Or is that, is... One more, Spirit. One more card, please, for Sagittarius. About this fresh beginning. This person is not keeping up to their promises, Sagittarius. This person is, King of Swords in the upright is a person who's very straightforward, who promises, whatever they promise, they keep. But this person is in the reverse this month, and it's put you in this isolation, it's put you in this resting mode. It's going to be fresh beginnings, but I don't think with this person anymore. This is the month put this to rest, Sagittarius. I'm so sorry to be giving you this news, but it is the way the cards are out. There's nothing to look forward to. Yes, Five of Pentacles. This is a card of being left out in the cold. I'm so sorry, Sagittarius. I really feel bad. But don't worry, if whatever was not good in your life, if the universe is making that person leave your life, please know that it's just, the sadness is just temporary. Maybe something even better is going to be in your life soon. And we'll do another reading for you soon and see if some new love is going to be arriving in your life soon. And let's take an angel card from you as well. What do the angels want to say to you, Sagittarius? I'll be honest, Sagittarius, this is the second reading I've done for you today, and the first one was pretty similar, and I thought maybe I was doing it wrong, and I just wanted to do it again to see if the energy would change. But let's take a card from the angels. Sagittarians, if you're subscribed to the channel, great. If you're not, if you're in the mood right now after this reading, please do subscribe so we can check on what's coming for you next. So Sagittarius, Spirit is saying that to take care of your emotions, and if you are feeling alone and low and down, play music, but make sure it's the kind of music which lifts your spirit, okay? Because music has a lot of power. So try not to listen to music which reminds you of this person. Try and listen to upbeat music which will put you in a better emotional state. Okay, so that's the advice Spirit is giving you. This is temporary, don't worry about it, and things will be better soon. Anything which has brought conflict to your life is, anyways good if it's going. And try and spend some time with your friends and your family and bring some balance back into your life now, okay? So take care, and love and light, Sagittarius, take care.